Let's go ahead and review StationDB. It lets you instantly create a user-friendly admin panel for any database. Get 10% off Appsumo lifetime deal in every deal. Details and description below. StationDB's no-code admin panel lets you connect to any database and manage records without writing a single query. With StationDB, you can access a no-code admin panel that connects to any database using your credentials. That means your team can manage data on a user-friendly interface and easily pull up records without writing any queries. You'll be able to create, edit, or delete any fields in your datasets and organize your records in just a few clicks. Best of all, this tool is compatible with databases built in MySQL, PostgreSQL, MariaDB, or Microsoft SQL Server. StationDB lets you assign user permissions for individual team members, like the permission to read, create, update, or delete fields. You can also define field-specific permissions to determine who can manipulate datasets based on user profiles. Thanks to a secure platform and straightforward setup, you don't need to be an expert to manage data like a pro. Say goodbye to sifting through hundreds of data fields to find what you're looking for. StationDB has got you covered. Using ultra-specific filters, you'll be able to search through multiple fields at once and instantly locate any type of data point. Once you find what you're looking for, you can download and share data with collaborators in just one click. Running an agency? Use the white label option to set up a client-facing database with a new domain name, logo, and brand color. StationDB even guides you through the custom DNS configuration, so you're fully operational within a day. After that, you can adjust user permissions and repurpose the turnkey admin panel as a white label solution for clients. Just because you own a database doesn't mean you know how to manage it like a pro. When I said I reviewed all the datasets myself, I meant I stared at them several times. Luckily, StationDB's no-code admin panel connects to any SQL database and lets you manage records without writing any queries. Manage data the easy way. Get lifetime access to StationDB today.